Like, no one else saw. Everyone saw that coming. It's a good game. Alright, and in my opinion. Where is it? 2 is a little better. 2 is just a slightly better. So, the difference is this game is just okay. It's good. It's good. It's good. This one's better in my opinion because it has more that I would like. Also because I like the vehicle levels more in this one to this one. And this one has Gunship Cavalry original version. Then that shit is ass. Alright, let's get it out of the way. Everyone knows this one's the best game ever. Alright. Wait, I need to create a new tier. Shit, why is it blocked off? I can't see it because of this stupid thing. Alright, well, I can't see, so F/event. Alright, let's go with the ones I haven't played. Lego Friends, never played. Lego Chima Online, haven't played. All the other games I've played, I'm pretty sure. Let me see. I haven't played you either, so. Alright, so. Lego Ninjago Ninjroids. Oh my god, this was the. So bad. And let's go with that one. Let's just rank all these DS games like pretty quickly. Shadow of Ronin's okay. I don't have much to say because it was okay. I only played it like twice. I played it once as a kid. I played it the second time like what 2 months ago because I wanted to play all the Ninjago games and I thought Ninja was awful. This game was okay. Ninjago Battles, controversial opinion. I think it's mid. It's okay. It's not god awful. If I had it into like a list, this one would be better than this one because this one has an actual fucking story. Lego Batman the video game. It's good. Everyone knows it's good. Man, these games are freaking amazing. Alright. So, let's see here. Lego Pirates. A tier. Well, better than this game, but yeah. Well, actually, I'll put down a tier. Yeah, this way. Like, this one's better than that one. Lego Pirates. This is a fun-ass game. It's really good. Like, I love it. I love it. Oh, we'll get to you. Okay, so, let's see here. Let me go. Let's see here. What comes out? Ooh, I remember. Lego Harry Potter years 1 through 4. This one's it's okay. Actually, put it down a notch, but not as bad as Lego Ninjago Battles. But Shadow of Ronin's, in my opinion, better. All right. Okie dokie. Hey, Lego Harry Potter! Yay! This was the good one. Yeah, this one's really nice. It's nice. I like it. Okay, this is like my childhood in a bottle next to this boy and this boy. Yeah. Oh yeah, that guy too. This is my one of my childhoods. I used to play this game a lot as a kid. Alright, next game. Peak Incoming, in my opinion, better than the original Lego Batman 2. Like, look, the vehicle missions, there are little to none. It is amazing. I love the open world so much. So, let me just remove that. So, I love, this is when the Lego games really started to go open world. This one basically stepped its foot into it, but it was basically hub world with steroids. But this is an open. I love the open world format. I don't know if it's controversial or not. I love open world in Lego games. Yeah, but I will be honest. I do wish like some of these games were just hub world, like the Lego Movie, the video game. That would have been good as a open world. Oh shit, Chima, DS game. It's going in. Ooh, I don't know. I didn't like it, but I wouldn't say it's bad as Ninjroids. I'll put it like there, no, like that. Like, this is peak F tier. Peak F tier until we get into a certain game that's bad, but in a good way. Oh shit, Lego Indie. Okay, yeah, Lego Indie. Good. Not as good as these peak games, but still really good. And then Lego Indie 2, where are you? Yeah. You haven't enjoyed this way better. Will not play it again. Let's see here. Ooh, Lego City, the chase begins. C tier, better than Lego. Yeah, I think it's better than all these two. Peak C tier, everyone. Actually, I'll put in low B tier. Yeah, probably the best DS game. Alright, time to get Peak out of the way. My favorite out of all of them is Lego Marvel Superheroes. This is my game. I love my game. I love this game so much. Alright, Lego Avengers. B tier. Okay, let's pro con Lego Avengers. The character selection is amazing. There are no X-Men. It's fine. Like, I like a lot of it, but I don't like a lot of it too. Yeah, I used to play it a lot though. Lego Batman 3 Beyond, fucking boring. This game is like, what, let me think. So the DLC is really good. But the hub world, they went back to hub world, and it sucks. Like, the open world parts are, like, awful. The world, like, the planets are so small. Like, why are they so small? But the characters are so good. Lego Dimensions. Freaking... I would say it's better than Lego Harry Potter Years 5 through 7, but... So, what I did to play this game recently... Like, I recently completed it. I used an NSC chip, and then I coded it so it's basically a universal NSC chip. So I was able to play it, and I was able to use, like, every character in the game to, like, 100% it. But in the end, I had fun. I admit it was fun seeing like Ready Player One levels of awesomeness, in my opinion. Lego Jurassic World C tier, like legit. It's C tier, almost bad. But but the dinosaurs are cool. Oh, now this is how we do open world. This is amazing. Ooh, I don't know. My, I'm doing what my gut tells me. Please bring this back. I hate that it's delisted currently. I need to buy physical. Alright. Ooh, we missed the game. Lego Star Wars 3, another childhood game of mine. Another childhood game of mine. I don't know. It's not as good as any of these peak games, but I'll go with that. A tier. Low A tier. Lego Super Heroes. I hated this game. It was like I first played it on the Switch and it was buggy as all hell. Like it was awful. Then I played it on my PC and it was okay. I got the DLC was cool. I had a full Infinity Stone Gauntlet Thanos. That was cool, but where are the X-Men? Where are like all the cool shit? And like Kangtopolis is like so mid. Like I would prefer if we had like Lego Avengers where we had New York and then like other places. Yeah, like you go through portals or something like that. That would have been cool. And I wish the X-Men were in it. Like, where's the X-Men? Where's Wolverine? Where's Cyclops? Where's Jean? Where's Phoenix? Where's Storm? Where's Beast? Where's Bishop? Where's Emma? Where is everyone? Where's Magic? Where is everyone? Alright, Lego Incredibles. I didn't like it. Like, I like the stuff you could do. Like, you could grab, like, different Pixar characters, but come on, it was bad. Lego Worlds. Okay, this is good. I like it. That's all I could say about it. I have fun with it. I still play it from time to time. Lego City Undercover. Now we're talking. Let's go. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Lego DC Supervillains. Better than Lego Dimensions. Not as good as Lego Pirates of the Caribbean. Now we're talking peak B tier. Okay. This game, amazing DLC. Everything else is, like, Resistance is boring, but that's, like, the only bad mission in my eyes. I like it. I have fun with it. Oh my god, it's so bad, it's good. Lego Hobbit. Yeah. Lego Hobbit. About it. It should have gotten DLC. It should have been finished. Yeah, Lego. Okay, there. Yeah, this is a bad game. Okay, now we're talking about a good game with a good fighting composition. So, there. There's a decent new fighting combo that got reintroduced into here, which is good. And we got the worst Lego game of all time. Like this is the worst. They were able to stoop lower the bottom of the barrel from Lego Indy 2. They got worse. Superman can't even fly. Okay, this game. Everyone says it's mid or bad, and says it's the death of Lego games. No, it's not. It is like low A tier, and it's good. it lived up to my hype. In my opinion, it lived up to my hype. Should have added story DLC. I know they're not going to do that, though.